In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using Wix Studio. This process is incredibly simple and perfect for both beginners and those who are a bit more tech savvy. We'll be focusing on Chrome as our browser of choice since it offers great compatibility with Wix features. To begin, you'll need to open Wix Studio in Chrome. Once you've got it open, you'll notice a plethora of options on the dashboard. To start shaping your blog, look towards the left-hand side of the interface where you'll see the Add button. Click on Add and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Blog. Here, you have the option to either choose a pre-made template or start from scratch. Selecting a template might be helpful if you want to save some time and gain some inspiration from professional designs. On the other hand, starting from scratch is great if you want a completely personalized experience with full control over every aspect. Once your blog framework is in place, it's time to customize. You can immerse yourself in adjusting the layout, modifying the fonts to match your style, and choosing colors that fit your brand or personal aesthetic. This customization process is crucial because it reflects your individuality and ensures your blog resonates with your intended audience. Spend a few moments exploring the multitude of options until you're satisfied with how it looks. With the design complete, it's now time to generate your first piece of content. Navigate to the Blog Manager, which is particularly designed to make the creation and administration of posts intuitive. Here, you can draft and format your post with ease. Consider this the heart of your blog, so take your time to craft content that's engaging and informative before hitting that exhilarating publish button. But wait, before you set your site live, let's delve into the SEO settings and social sharing options. SEO, or search engine optimization, is essential if you want your blog to be accessible to a wider audience. Wix provides helpful tools to tweak these settings, ensuring that your published content is easily discoverable on search engines. Likewise, social sharing is vital for extending your reach. Make sure your social media links and sharing buttons are all set up, allowing readers to easily share your posts and spread the word. Finally, wrap everything up neatly by saving and publishing your site. This step is simple but significant. Not only does it preserve all your hard work, but it also makes your blog accessible to the world. Step back and appreciate what you've accomplished. A live blog crafted with care and creativity. In closing, creating a blog with Wix Studio is a seamless process thanks to its user-friendly interface and versatile features. Whether you're sharing personal stories, business updates, or niche interests, Wix provides all the tools you need to bring your vision to reality. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and I can't wait to see the incredible content you'll create.